In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Stream content file logged error message in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, click on search and type settings and open it. Now from left side, click on network and internet. After this, click on advanced network settings. Now here, click on network reset and then click on reset now. After this, click on yes. Now close this window and from desktop, click on search and type CMD and click on run as an administrator. Here you have to type netsh space winsock space reset and then hit enter. After this, close it and once again from desktop, click on search and type stream and click on run as an administrator. Now in stream, hover over library. Click on downloads. In download section, from top right corner, click on gear icon and here in downloads region, select your closest region. Then click on restart now. This will fix your issue. So that's how you can fix Stream content file logged error message in just few easy steps.